Hello guys, we heard that some of you are having some issues with the submission process. So first open our Xposure website, then click on sign in with Google. You can use any Google account you want. After that, go to the submissions page. After going there, click to upload. Then select the image you want to submit. Your file name will be displayed here. Select the device you have used to click the image. I am selecting mobile. Select an category. I am selecting tech in nature. You can submit your other photos too. Then click on submit. After that, you have to input your number and then use the payment methods that has been provided in the portal. And one information guys, do not refresh the page while making the payment. It might happen that the money has been debited from your account but not credited into ours, so the submission won't be accepted. So make sure your payment has been completed. Wait for a while, let the process be completed and then refresh the page. So we are done with the images portion. I hope it's clear. Then for the shorts portion, the shorts portion is written enter YouTube shorts link. It's not written Instagram link. So don't post your Instagram reels link. It won't be accepted. Make sure you have a YouTube account. I hope so everyone has one. Then post your short into your YouTube account and then copy its link. For example, I am choosing this videos link, this shorts link. Then and the short has to be posted into your account, not some other person's account. Then paste the short. After that, click on mobile or camera, any device you have used to make the short. Then select any theme which you have made the short for. I am selecting explore your city or village. Then submit. The payment process will be same as the images, and make sure, as I said before, do not refresh the page while making the payment. It might happen that the money has been debited from your account but not credited, and bank will take time to refund your money or might not even refund your money. So better you take your time and complete the submission process slow and steady. Thank you.